Hey guys, we just got back from an amazing trip to West Texas. We just put together a blog post to help you plan a road trip through the area, but we also wanted to share some of the video footage that we captured to hopefully inspire you as well. Check it out.
There once was a time when we were young, when pirates and spaceships were our heroes unsung. In all the battles we had won, I'm coming home. I may be just around the bend, or this journey onward may have no end, but I'll never stop, my friend, find my way home. There's something turning inside that helps me conquer this great divide. Though the distance is far and wide, I'm coming home. Though troubles may wrap around me, their tentacles bury until I cease to be, I think I hear the turning of a key. I'm finally home. There's something driving inside that helps me conquer this great divide. Though the distance is far and wide, I'm coming home. There once was a time when we were young, when pirates and spaceships were our heroes unsung. In all the battles we had won, I'm coming home. There's something turning inside that helps me conquer this great divide. Though the distance is far and wide, I'm coming home.